that is scheduled to happen on August 26th. Let's now take you to the Upper West region where there's some rather disturbing news. We understand that an alleged case of close to a dozen of children being defiled by a suspected pedophile. Let's cross over to IBRAHIM Wangara, who is joining us from the Upper West region to tell us exactly what the situation there is like. IBRAHIM, thank you so much for joining us on the program. This is very disturbing. What have you found concerning the suspected cases of pedophilia in the region?
Yes, good afternoon. If you look at this suspect in the person of Rashid Ahmed, popularly known as Anaata, somewhere...
Wangara, if you can hear me, I'd like for you to reposition yourself so we can hear you clearly. We're trying to reconnect and have a better connection with IBRAHIM Wangara from the Upper West region. As we understand, close to a dozen girls are suspected to have been defiled by a suspected pedophile in the Upper West region. We understand the case is being trialed in court, and they will be speaking with IBRAHIM Wangara. Wangara, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
This is better. Talk to us about the situation there.
Yes, today, Monday, if you look at what circuit court, what happens today, you realize that one person that is a known person in the region, in the person of Ahmed Rashid Anaata, that's his popular name, who happens to be MC for that master of ceremony for weddings within the region, has been accused of defiling several young girls, numbering up to 30. So after the incident went viral somewhere a few months ago, police tried arresting him, but he was absconded. Just 2 days today, this person, the accused, was arrested and has been put before court today. So the West Circuit Court registered a number of people who are showing interest in this case. But during the proceedings, the state attorney, in an interview with him after proceedings, did mention that the cases, though they are up to 30 of the cases, but however, they have 12 evidences to 12 of the cases.
Right.
So as we speak, they are dealing with the first 12 cases that they have evidence to, and they are working to ensure that justice prevails. And aside that, the state attorney also made mention that looking at the situation surrounding the case and how the people, the society is interested in the case, he don't see the need for the suspect to be granted bail because since initially he was able to flee the area, there are incidents that he may again run away to, that will go to the detriment of what the justice and the proceedings of the court.
Right.
So as a result, he prayed to the court not to grant the suspect bail. But looking also at the incident, he also prayed to the court that to sit on the case from Monday onwards on daily basis so that they will be able to give justice or to bring a finality to the issue. But he has been charged with about 7 counts, and all are on defilement with to children between ages of 12 to 16 maximum. Right. So these are how the trend is, and then the cases are. Currently, as we speak, the whole place, including the police station, was besieged with members who are willing to see how the demeanor of the accused person and how things will go on.
So clearly, this is a case that is generating a lot of interest in the entire Upper West region for the various communities where these suspected acts of, defilement happened. How are the residents there relating to this case?
They are agitating. Most of them are agitating, and that is the more reason why the state attorney even advised or prayed to the court not to even grant this suspect bail.
Right.
Because he is of the view that aside the accused running away to prolong the proceedings, he may also be attacked considering the anger and the anxiety of people, particularly the families of the victims. They are angry, and the state attorney felt that if this person is even granted bail, the people can even take the law into their own hands. Hence, the reason for him praying to the court not to grant him bail. But Monday morning, we will follow up to see what happened next and then the way forward.
Ibrahim, thank you so much for joining us with those updates from the Upper West region. Ibrahim Wangara spoke with us from the Upper West region over suspected cases of a suspect alleged to have defiled about 30 girls, but we understand that only 12 of them are being followed up at the court in the Upper West region. We'll be following the subject in the subsequent bulletins. But to the OT region now, where a great